Hi guys, today uh, I'm going to show you that how to use responsive columns in Bootstrap. Yesterday we just installed offline Bootstrap in our machine or laptop, computer, etc. Today we are using same uh, resources, same offline process. You can see I have just turned it off Wi-Fi, so this MacBook doesn't have any internet connection. Okay, uh, get started with columns and responsive columns. Like you can find normal columns, but you may not find how to make them responsive according screen width. Okay, just open it. Okay. Yeah, it's our yesterday's work. So today I will just clear it up. Okay, but we will need this file, this link and script. We will need this, and now I will create a div. Container and row. First we have to create container, because after container then only row works very fine. Yes, now we can create columns here. It's like div plus column. I will use it with 4 columns, means 3 into 12. Okay, close it, and now inside of it I will create something which is visible to us. Okay, just height 350 px, background color blue, my best color. No, it's okay, it's first column. Let's see what happens. Yes, it's single column. Yeah, and I will make it 4 to cover screen. It's done. Yes, here I have 4 columns. I will add some margin at the top, which will make easy. Yes, now it's okay. We have 4 columns here, and these are basic column. right? These columns doesn't have responsiveness. They will be compressed, but they don't act as responsive. Sometime we will need this type of column also. For that, don't forget, just use only col dash and size of it. Okay, bigger size is bigger column, less size is smaller column. You can set as column 1, column 2, something like that also. So okay, now we have 4 columns, but here they are not responsive. Now we will make them responsive. Okay, now column 3, and there are breaking points. When they will break, we will start from uh, larger string like column XL. It's very large. Yes, this is now XL screen we have. After breaking XL screen, they will add something. Let's see. Yes, now they just we have to add some margins. Yes, they will do like this. Let's see. Yes, now after XL screen, the LG screen will come, right? So uh, as soon as XL screen comes to LG screen, until this it's XL, XL until XL, then now it's LG, right? So we have known that in LG screen, uh, perhaps we like to show 2 columns here. Now there are 4 columns, and we may like 2 columns here. In LG screen, we may like 2 columns. So for that, but we do some trick here. It's tricky. Yeah. Okay. Column XL3, and now column LG, column LG. How many? How many column we like? Okay, like 3. Yeah. I like 3 of them to show in LG screen. 3 means 4. 4 into 3, 12. Okay. So if you want to see more columns, so I will repeat this process. Just more columns here. It will make easy for us. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yes, here we have 8 columns. Now I will change it into LG screen mode. Just see. Yes, yes, here it is. Here now you can see 3 columns, right? Yes, just see, it's very nice, very responsive, right? Please don't forget to comment. Okay, now again, as soon as LG screen breaks, same process, it will go into single column. Yes, here we may like to show 2 columns. If there are 3 columns, we may like here 2 columns. Okay, just do for it. Now I guess you already know what to do. Still I will tell you, and I do some trick in Sublime. Okay, column LG from, I will do add all in work. Okay, column LG, after that, after LG, MD screen comes, medium screen. MD, if you want to show 2 columns, you have to divide whole column into half. It means whole column is 12, half of it is 6. Now let's see what will happen. Yeah, it's in XL screen. It's in LG screen. After that, we just did, yes, it's medium screen, right? And after it, small screen comes, small SM. You may like, uh, as soon as MD screen breaks, yeah, as soon as MD screen breaks, it will go into single column. Yes, it is also bigger, bigger wide. So we may like to see 2 columns, just like earlier. So I will write here column M6. Right, it's okay. Let's see. Let's see here. Yeah, we may change it to a single column also. You just delete this line. Yeah, it will show single column, no problem. Yeah, but I think it's quite good. Yes. Okay. Now it looks very cool with images perhaps. It will look very nice. Okay, guys. Thank you. It's the nature of column with screen sizes. How many column you want, then you have to divide uh, it with divide 12 columns with some number, how many you want. Like if you want to show 3 columns, you have to write column 4. If you want to show 4 columns, you have to write column 3. If you want to show only 2 columns, you have to write column 6. Don't forget MD screen, SL, XL screen, LG screen, SM screen, and only column for non-responsive nature. It will only compress and expand, nothing will be changed. Okay, thank you guys. I will if you need this code, I can send you uh, in my another blog, perhaps something later. Okay, just If you didn't subscribe it, please subscribe my channel and like this video if this tutorial helped you, and don't forget to comment and give me suggestions what you will need and what you have to know. Okay, okay, thank you guys. We will see you tomorrow again. Thank you.